As the son of a sailor, I went off to the sea for adventure, expanding the view of the captain and crew. Not a man just released from indenture. As a dreamer of dreams and a traveling man, I chalked up many a mile, read dozens of books about heroes and crooks, and I learned much from both of their style. Son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor, son of a gun, load the last ton, one step ahead of a jailer. Now in the near future, southeast of disorder, you can shake the hand of the mango man as he greets you at the border. And the lady she hails from Trinidad, islands of the spices, salt for your meat and cinnamon sweet, and the rum is for all your good vices. Sheeting as a tide in the wind, our forefathers roll before us. Hear the bells ring as a tide ring and sing, that's the son of a Florida. I can't fathom my friends. I knew I might toss up an anchor, but I'll cruise along, just singing the songs. Not a lawyer, a thief, or a banker, but son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor, son of a gun, load the last ton, one step ahead of a jailer. I'm just a son of a son, son of a son, son